number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. 190. 190. 185-ish. Yep, next. That looks about 195. 190. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. 192-ish. So all good across the board. Perfect. Oh, je drang in de hand wat een vaste ding mee. Ja, dan kan er hier nog vast. Hè. Oh ja, de classic ook. Moet ik een keer rennen? Ja, top. Oh, original. Ah, great. I was not filming the whole time.
Very good.
We are watering down the car. You see, water is good, very green. So we got the bash bar off, kidney holder, front bar, fucking visco setup and fan, the radiator, harness off to the side. Almost ready to take off this panel. Let's go. Ja. Oh no, it's completely destroyed.
Ja, dat waren die niet.
Ja, goeie oud.
Ah, zeg. Daar is hem.
Dorisu. Okido. Dat is Gucci, hè. Abom. Ah, this will be nice, eh? The water is gonna come straight to my face.
Ah, yes.
I think. Eyes closed, mouth closed.
It's going everywhere.
It's okay, it's alright. Mmm, tasty.
Yes.
Fanta Blue. Kut. Snug. Voilà. There we goes.
Only spilled a little bit.
Yes. Little bit. Got the water. De vraag is, what are we gonna do with my water? Where am I gonna dispose of the water? Eco-friendly.
Waar is het patje hier in?
So we need the power steering out of here, and then I think I'm gonna drain the engine oil as well. And for as far as I know, we still need to remove the vacuum of the brake booster, these 3 relays, the positive terminal on the zekeringkast, the fusee box. Thank you. Need to remove the positive terminal there, the ECU, and this whole ordeal. Then there's still a couple of water lines that go to the heater core, and I think we are almost there. Then remove the steering column so we have a bit of clearance. Let's tackle these. Yeah, the power steering fluid is busy drying. Yeah. We be doing this shit.
Probeer van een beetje onder de plakband afgesneden.
Ja, ja, goed. Hè. Do not shower me in oil, please.
Moet hier, kan je hier een dop openzetten?
I wilt.
Ja.
Danks.
En of ze dat 5 kilometers niet gedaan?
Nee, en nog maar recent vernieuwd geweest. De olie, ja, hun nieuw dat eruit komt nu. Jammer genoeg. Another $80, brand new oil down the drain. Wait, draining. Draining oil sequence started. Yep, completely loose.
Alle zoet ding. Kom.
Fuck!
It happened.
I put this back in. It's working. I am gonna make some noise.
Send it.
One of two successful. 13 did not fit, 14 fits too grande. What kind of fucking nut are you?
13 en dat klopt.
It's one of those. It's a 13 klop-on. I'm gonna send it with the 14 and then cry later. Brilliant. Oh. Oh. I think his work. The exhaust might fall. I think we're about 4 hours in at the moment. We got the exhaust out. The drive shaft is loose at the diff. We still have to remove the reverse sensor, the shifter linkage, fuel lines, and I think we're practically there. Then some HVAC lines too, but he's working. Yes, very nice.
Koevertje.
I'm guessing so, yes. Een sleuteltje. Ja, dat is goed.
Ja. Alright.
Ja. The center support bearing. What happened to it? Oh, nothing. Just protection. Het ziet er wel nog goed uit. The center support bearing still looking okay, I'm guessing.
Van een onder los.
Ja, we out. Ja, mijn zin had dat goed. Laat maar even zo.
Ding die loshouden.
Ik wat niet. Bok heb ik. We're clear. I just fucking struck my head, bruv. Omhoog. Ja, omhoog. Oh, nog omhoog. Ja, stop. Jo. Ja. Yep. Ja, een beetje naar boven anders. Ah, dat is goed. Ja, het is oké. Ja. De rest is zo. First engine pull.